Thank God you signed the contract kasi kung hindi ako papasok. That was my cue eh. Yeah, you wouldn't have received the flowers from your Star Magic family. So, it's always been about family. You started here because you love your family so much. And I love that story that you just, wanted to become an artist. You're an artist. You wanted to become an actor. Sayang, you didn't want to be a singer. You sing great. Yeah, pagtayong dalawa lang. But I'm so happy because you have dreams and I know your dreams and I know you personally. And a great family behind you, supporting your dreams. A great network. I've known Kuya Alan for so long. No, Tita Cory, Derek Lauren, of course, yung mga gwapong katabi mong dalawa, yung tatlo pa dun sa gilid. And you're in good hands and you know that. So happy for, thank you also. This is her dream to sit beside Carlo and Derek Lauren. This is an amazing day for you and I know how much you've wanted to seal the deal, to be a part of this family. So this partnership is going to be amazing and I look forward to your films, to your TV projects, and everything that you want to do. Have so much fun. I'm so proud of you. I love you. First time may nagsabi siya, I love you, sa TV.
Bart, nakuha po ba natin yung close up? Yes, first time pala po nangyayari.
Pag-edit ka lang po lang, live feed ba ito?
Naka-live po tayo, wala nang bawian.
Sorry. Anyway, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Once again, Mr. Jeric Rosales, everyone!
On that note, ang swerte mo kasi I never had this eh. I never had, Tita Cory, I never had this Ganyan ka lang yung picture tsaka may flowers na ganito. And Diego singing that, That's okay, I'm a kapamilya forever. You know that. Alright, I'm out of here.
We love you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Jeric Rosales.